Hey guys! And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a little foundation review on a foundation that has been popping off everywhere on TikTok, on Instagram, literally everywhere. What foundation is it, you ask? It is the Kat Von D Good Apple foundation. I managed to get this in the shade Tan 66. It is sold out. It's pretty much sold out everywhere. So this was one of the shades that I managed to get. Like, I wish I could have gotten a lighter shade as well, because I feel like this might come out a bit too dark, but God knows, we'll find out. I'm going to be doing a wear test throughout the entire day, so you guys are really going to see what it looks like. It's about 18 degrees outside and it's going to be really hot today, so you guys are really going to see what it looks like throughout the day in the heat. I also wore it the other day when I went to the beach, so you're going to get two sides of a review. Really intense beach day, driving the whole entire day, like a 10-hour day, versus a very humid hot day as well. The other day when I did go to the beach, it didn't actually last that long on my face. It started to really disappear around like my T-zone, where I would usually get oily. Right guys, so with the makeup, this is what it's looking like. Some of it has come off a bit. Bear in mind, it's been about, when did I put this on? 6 a.m. So we're coming up to 4-ish now, so
my God has no life.
Nearly hitting 12 hours.
My God,
so,
my God has no life. 6 a.m.
It's come off a bit on this side, and here it has as well. I've literally put this to the whole test today. Seriously.
Fully.
Like
wind, everything,
water, yeah, sand.
Whole shebang.
Yeah, so it is starting to come off quite a bit. If you guys can see that, look like there. Around here, and it's just breaking up around my chin area, but that's kind of normal because I get oily around here, and here as well. Damn, we're getting really up and personal. So yeah, this is the situation. Let's get into the video and I will give you guys the first impressions on how this comes out. So I've also done my eye makeup already. I just thought it would be quicker to get it done. I did a very 90s soft matte cool tone look, and the palette that I used is the Stone Cold Fox palette from Colourpop. It has really beautiful cool tone shades, some browns, mauvey tones. Let's open this up. So this is what the foundation looks like. So far it looks pretty okay to me. The match is kind of okay. It could come out a tiny bit dark, but let's give it a go anyway. I can always go a bit lighter with my concealer to brighten up those areas. But yeah, the shade that I got is Tan 66. And it looks a bit like this. I'm going to go ahead and apply this with a brush. One of the brushes that I've been loving recently is the Elizabeth Arden brush. It has a little heart shape, and so it fits around any corner or anything like that. So it's really nice. But yeah, let's do this and see how this turns out. Are we ready, guys? Yeah? Are we ready? Okay, here we go. Are you guys seeing this? Guys, excuse me, hang on a sec. Look, yeah? I have red pigmentation from the breakouts, as you guys know already, yeah? Are you seeing this? Hun. Where is the red pigmentation? Where's anything on my face right now? Guys, and the thing is, I can't feel it on my skin. Like, it doesn't feel like I've got anything on. It's really weird. Like, it doesn't even feel like there's a layer of like foundation. You know that foundation feel? Nothing. I literally, it seems like I've maybe even put cream on, but you can't even feel the texture of it. So, wow, this is so interesting. Oh my God, this is literally just gliding on. guys actually seeing this? Yeah, like, I'm not the only one going mad, am I? Like, you guys are seeing this difference, right? Like, look at this. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see this side even more. Like, okay, let's go. Let's keep going. Let's do our entire face. Look, just look at that. This is so interesting. I really like this. I like the texture. It's a very smooth, velvety finish. It still has a nice glow to it, which you know is always a plus on my side. Because your girl likes to look like she's sweating. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't even need to build this up, guys. That's the scariest part. Like, I'm just gonna do half of my face so you guys can see the difference. Guys, look at the sides. That's my skin. Do you see the red bumps, everything? Flawless, honey. And we have flawless skin. Flawless. Skin. Flawless. Look at this. Are you not seeing this, yeah? This is... what? Oh my god, and when I tell you, I genuinely can't feel this on my skin, which is amazing. Look at this finish. Wow, wow, like look at this. Like look at this finish. This is insane. This is insane. Every single video that I've seen where people have reacted, I always thought, oh, they're probably just overhyping it or overreacting, but y'all see this? Yeah, do y'all see this? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my makeup, and then we're gonna vlog this whole thing throughout the day, and I'm gonna take you guys on my journey and my day, and yeah, just join me. Y'all, look at these daffodils. Spring's here. Hey, Rags.
Hi.
We are sitting down in the park now. Rags is... they've given us like a little bib thing, but we'll use that as
a map.
yeah.
Wings?
We got...
oh, lemon Fanta.
yeah, we got bone daddies. Yes, we got that. Right. Also, guys, foundation update. It looks pretty okay right now. That is my skin. It looks fine. Yeah. What else? So we got Balbons, wings, Fanta, and they've given us wipes, straws,
everything.
Like,
they
honestly,
know we're messy. They know
look
we're
how
messy.
COVID friendly this is.
And loads of tissues. Loads of tissues.
Amazing.
I'll leave that aside.
I'm so excited to eat. So we got some wings up in here, some Balbons.
We should open it.
And we got the vlog camera going over there, Rags over here. Look at those wings, honey. Guys, this bao bun, yeah, is amazing. Like, sorry, I'm gonna have to hold my tissue and do it like this, but so good.
Insane.
So appealing.
Look how huge that is.
I know.
Raw. That's...
Man said raw.
I can't even...
Your reaction.
I'm gonna look so fucking unattractive.
I can't with your reaction. Raw. Hello everyone. Hello. I have literally just come back from a long ass day. The time is now coming up to 8, so I've had the foundation on for about 8 hours. I've not felt it throughout the entire day. It's still there actually. I think the only thing where I have gotten oily is around my T-zone, around my nose. If you guys can see, like I'm just starting to get quite oily around here. My upper lip is pretty much gone, and it's just starting to settle into any like smile lines just around here. Yeah, I think it's just settled in really, but that's about it. So the other video up because my memory card, that's right Sony, totally it up for me, but it's okay. I grabbed a little tiny bit of like the aftermath so you guys can see what my skin kind of looks like in this. But before we get into this, the little review part of it, I want you guys to go like that video, yeah, subscribe, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Lastly, go hit that bell button, man. Ping that bell button. I'll ping you when I have a new video, yeah? I'm gonna give you about 5 seconds, yeah? We done? We're done? Yeah? Okay, cool. So let's get in. So with the foundation, it did start to break around my nose area. As you can see in the video clip, it really started to disappear. And I'm assuming that's to do with like where I sweat, because I usually sweat around my T-zone. So around these areas, foundation pretty much disappeared, especially on my chin. It kind of, yeah, wasn't really there. It started to sink into like any fine lines around my mouth and stick to any dry patches throughout the day. So which was my forehead. My forehead is very dry. I have no idea why, but it is. Your girl just be crusty, you know, so it be like that sometimes. Although that did happen, I would still use this. It's definitely one of my top 3 foundations for a day look. Like if I'm heading out somewhere or I'm going out somewhere, it's definitely something that I would wear. I like the balmy texture. I just like the fact that I can't even feel it. It's just, I hate that foundation feel. Like I absolutely hate that foundation feel. So this is definitely a hit with me in that sense. So I definitely will be using it on a regular basis. And you only need the smallest amount and it applies all over. So I like that about it. I know there are people that have oily skin that watch my videos as well. I wouldn't really recommend this for oily skin tones, only because it's very much like a cream base, and just from where I got oily, it started to separate. So I can't even begin to imagine what it would be like for people with really oily skin. So, and I'm pretty sure it will start separating. So the texture of this foundation, it is, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's like a cream, like it's beautiful. It's like a balm. I'm gonna show you guys, like, look, it's just like a balm that just glides on. It's like, I don't even understand. Like, do you guys see that? It's so weird. Like, I can't describe it. But the closest texture to this is Vaseline. It's very much similar to Vaseline, except Vaseline I'm pretty sure you'll feel on your face, but this you don't feel. So I have no idea how they made this formula, but I'm all for this foundation. And usually I don't get sucked into the hype of foundations, and I'm very fussy when it comes to trying new things because I like my staple pieces and certain brands that I always reach for. So, but this I was very, very surprised with. The coverage is medium to full coverage, as you guys saw that first little application. It is definitely medium to full coverage. You can build it up around areas that you need to build it up around, but it does a good job with one layer, guys. Like seriously, it did a good job with one layer. I don't think you really need to build it up, but if you're someone that likes that full coverage, yeah, I'm pretty sure you can build it up and it is doable. The finish on this, it's pretty much a semi-matte kind of finish, which does get oily throughout. Once you start to sweat into it and stuff, it starts to look like skin and just dewy. Like it does give a nice dewy look, but initially it's very much like a semi-matte kind of finish. For me, this gives a nice skin, like healthy, glowy look. I kind of always stick to a semi-ish, matte-ish, but still more on the glowy, sweaty side, you know, because your girl likes to look like she's sweating, you know. So yeah, I kind of have a nice balance between the both. So, but the finish is really, really flawless. Like it's covered up everything. But if you're someone who really likes matte and matte only, no glow, nothing like that, I'm pretty sure you can set it with powder and make it work for yourself. Yeah, my personal preference is just I decide to look like I'm sweating all the time, innit? Like I love, yeah, just love sweating. What can I say? So thank you. but yeah, just for oily skin tone people, I'm not entirely sure. I wouldn't personally recommend it, only because I feel like there are better foundations out there suited for people with more of an oily skin type. So yeah, definitely lived up to the hype for me, so I would highly recommend it. But yeah, I hope that was a good review for you guys. I hope that gave you a better understanding of the foundation. Yeah, stay tuned for more, guys. I have some lovely vlogs coming up, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more. Bye.